Imagine the world ends on the first day of a new century. Weird question. What are the chances that date is a Sunday? It sounds like a simple calendar guess, but it has a trap. First, we need the exact dates. In this puzzle, a new century begins on January 1st, 1901, then January 1st, 2001, then 2101, and so on. We are testing those century start dates. So here is the real question. If we look only at first days of centuries, how often does the weekday land on Sunday? Is Sunday just one of 7 equal possibilities? Before the reasoning starts, make a guess. Would you say 1 in 7, or could century starts follow a stranger pattern? Take a second and lock in your answer. Here's the tempting shortcut. You might say, there are 7 weekdays, so Sunday should be 1 out of 7. But that mixes up random calendar dates with century start dates. Those dates follow a repeating pattern, so we have to check the pattern. The right move is to follow the calendar from one century start to the next. Start with a known date, January 1st, 2001 was a Monday. Now each 100-year jump shifts the weekday by the number of extra days left after full weeks. For a normal 100-year stretch here, there are 24 leap years. That makes 36,524 days. Divide that into weeks, and 5 days are left over. So the next century start moves forward 5 weekdays. Monday becomes Saturday. Now watch the pattern. Starting at 2001, Monday jumps to Saturday in 2101, then to Thursday in 2201, then to Tuesday in 2301. The next span includes the leap century year 2400, so it jumps 6 days and returns to Monday in 2401. So the first day of a century is not equally likely across all weekdays. In this cycle, it can be Monday, Saturday, Thursday, or Tuesday. It never lands on Sunday. It also skips Wednesday and Friday. So the chance is not 1 in 7, it is 0%. Got it right? Prove it again. Subscribe to Mathemental for the next challenge.